My name is Adli.
Hi, my name is Ayu.
Hi, my name is Alia.
Hi, my name is Li Weisheng.
We are from 2+2.
So today we are going to discuss about the counting method in discrete math. So
Enjoy our video.
So Sheng is here. So let us start our discussion. So in our daily life, many a times one need to find out the number of all possible outcomes for a series of events. For instance, how many number of available phone number with 7 digits, and how many number of possible match started, given that the number of the team is 8. For solving this problem, counting methods are used. Counting method mainly include of foundation counting rules, the permutation rules, and the combination rules. So, but today we are going to discuss about the fundamental counting rules. Before that, I'm going to talk about the pigeonhole principle. So the pigeonhole principle was invented by a German mathematician, Peter Dirichlet, in year 1834. This principle was explained about 9 pigeons are going to put in the pigeonhole, but there are only 8 pigeonholes. So the principle asserts that there must be a hole that with 2 or more pigeons. Let us look at another way. If we have n objects and n boxes, then we can fill each boxes with one object. Then when we try to place one more object for a total of n plus 1 object, we have no empty boxes and must place it in a box that already have an object. Let me give you an example. If a postman has 10 letters and he is placing them in a communal mailbox that has 9 compartments, then there is a compartment that will receive at least 2 or more letters. So this is the principle of pigeonhole. So let us invite.
Okay, in this video, I will tell you about inclusion, exclusion principle in counting method for discrete mathematics. The inclusion-exclusion principle relates the numbers of elements in the union and intersection of two finite sets. The number of elements in the union of two sets equal the sum of their individual numbers of elements, then minus the number of elements in their intersection. For an example, let n is number of elements when the inclusion-exclusion principle states that A or B equals is A plus B minus A and B. So we can assume if So A or B is plus. And then minus the answer with A and B. That is 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. It's both same from set A and set B. So we only pick once and cannot be repeated. So the number that are left were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So guys, this is the simple inclusion exclusion that implies with using set. So I hope this can help you to answer the question properly. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ayu Shakila. Today, I want to discuss about rule of sum. In combinatory, the rule of sum or addition principle is a basic counting principle. Started simply, it is the idea that if we have A ways of doing something and B ways of doing another things and we cannot be both sometimes, then there are A plus B ways to choose one of actions. Next, the rule of sum only applies to choose that are mutually exclusive, meaning that only one of the choice can be picked. To terminate when to use the rule of sum, try to rephrase the question. If the question can be replaced with the word or bracket, this usually indicates that the rule of sum applies. For rule of sum, I have one example to you guys. Example is Lisa is wearing her lucky shirt today and she has to choose among 3 red skirts and 4 blue skirts to wear with the t-shirt. How many different outfit choice of one shirt does she have for the day? So, the answer is, since Lisa can wear one of the 3 red skirts or one of the 4 blue skirts, the choice are mutually exclusive and the rule of sum applies. This gives a total of 3 plus 4 is 7 different outfit choice. So finish my subtopic.
Rule of product. In combinatory, the rule of product or multiplication principle states simply it is the idea that if there are A ways of doing something and B ways of doing another thing, then there are A multiple B ways of performing both actions. Example, to choose one of ABC and one of XY, this is to choose one of AX, AY, BX, BY, CX, CY. This is example. The rule say multiply 3 by 2 getting 6. The set A, B, C and XY in this example are disjoint set, but these are not necessary. The number of ways to choose a number of A, B, C and then to do so again in effect choosing an ordered pair each of full component in ABC is 3 multiple 3 is 9. Another example, when you decide to order pizza, you must first choose the types of crust, thin or deep dish. 2 choice. Next, you choose a topping, cheese, pepperoni or sausage. 3 choice. Using the rules of product, you know that there are 2 multiple 3 is 6 possible combination of ordering a pizza.
So this is the explanation of this video. So hopefully you understand in this video. and you will learn something in this video. So thank you and bye. Hey.
Okay, try dulu. Record dulu
Try dulu.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Adli. So we can lock. Yeah, lock.
For rule of sum, I have one apa tu? Example.
Everything changes.